Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to create your account on the KartRider Drift. So first of all you have to just install your game and then click to open it. After doing so you have to just click on the play button here and you will find here such type of the interface. You have to just click on the sign in with Facebook or sign in with Google. Whatever you want. I just want to click on sign in with Google and connect it to my Google account. After that you will find here your Google accounts. I just select this one. So okay, after doing so you will find here a step of the interface about the term of the privacy and the security. You have to just click on both of them and then click on agree to all and start. So now processing has been started. It will take a while, you have to be patient. So here you have to just put your name that you want to put. So I just put here the username, let me guide, and then click OK. After doing so you have to just press OK. So you have to just skip here and then you have to just wait for a while. After doing so a new interface will open for you like this, and now you have to just select here for your control setting. I just want to click on the automate and then click on the confirm, and now your account has been created, and then tap on the skip and start to play your game. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.